I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight.
Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to run OBS with Xbox One and PC. So basically how to run that on Twitch with an Xbox One. Basically I'm just going to be showing you what you need, and then we're going to cut to the PC and I'm going to show you what to do from there. So basically all you're going to want to have is if you have a TV and a monitor, then that's good, because you're going to need at least 2 screens, and you're going to need, of course, Xbox One. Right there's my mic, and Windows 10. This won't work without Windows 10, and yeah, so basically just Windows 10, mic, you don't really need one, unless you want to do like voice recordings and stuff, but yeah. If you have a mic, you can use it on your computer. So, Xbox One, at least 2 monitors, or a TV and a monitor, whichever one you prefer. Alright, and now we're going to cut to the PC. Guys, welcome back to the PC. Basically, you're just going to want a couple things. You're going to want your Twitch. You're going to want Windows 10, because you need the Xbox One app on Windows 10. Now you're going to want to also need OBS. Now personally, this like version that I have right now is my favorite version. All the other versions I not dislike, but they don't feel like comfortable. They're not like as user friendly as this one. I like this one just because of all the stuff you can do, and it's just a lot easier. And I'm pretty sure if you guys go to download this, you'll get the one that's a little bit difficult, so I'm going to show you how to get this version that I have here. First off, you want to go to Internet Explorer, go to OBS, or just type OBS in search bar, and it's the first one. Now you're going to want to download OBS Studio. Now you'll be prompted with these 3 versions, but below it you'll see in red download OBS Classic. That's the one you want to download. It'll basically prompt you or take you to another page that'll download the OBS Classic file. You're just going to download it as an installer. You don't want to download it through like a web browser or some shit like that. It's stupid. Anyways, once you get that downloaded right here, you're just going to want to open it up. Now, being familiar with OBS, I'm not familiar with it at all. I just know how to work the scenes and sources. That's basically all you need to do. The scenes is basically what's going on the screen, and the source is what's basically like providing like what's going on in the scene. So you guys are probably wondering, how do you put overlays on OBS? Because we're going to start with the overlays, and then we're going to move in on how to actually get the overlays and stuff on your Twitch while playing like the Xbox One. So basically, in OBS you have your scenes and your sources. Now for my stream, my overlays are pretty shitty and stuff, but this is what they are. Now, able to get the background and stuff like that, you have to do it yourself. You basically, or have somebody do it for you. Whichever way, doesn't matter. But basically, go into like a picture editing software. I think the one I used was like Pixel, and then like R at the end of it. It was weird. It was free. I just used that for this. It was pretty simple, self-explanatory. And then once you do that, you make sure the picture is a PNG file. It has to be PNG because it has to be transparent. So basically, the surface that you want to edit on has to be a PNG file. Everything I put on these rectangles and these boxes right here and the letters, they were just put there on the the little whatever the fuck on the page. Anyways, yeah, you put them on the page, and everything else is going to be checkerboard because that's a PNG file. It's going to be transparent. You won't be able to see anything. So when you save that as a PNG file, I didn't have these scrolling letters. Those come with OBS, and I'll show you that in a couple seconds. So basically, once I had my letters, my boxes, and all that stuff down, everything else inside these little, like wherever you see the screen, that was all checkerboard. So it means it's transparent. Everything that's going on behind the picture, you can see it. So you basically save that file, and you go, and it's going to be a source. You can see where it says image right here. That is my overlay. So if I click on it, you can see edit scene. You can see little red boxes and stuff. That's basically what I'm clicking on right now. If you right click, you hit add, go to image, then you just import your PNG file. Once you import it, it's already there. This is basically how I got this image right here. Now all you're gonna see is whatever is on your screen, and sometimes if you don't see it, then the sources are like layers. So I have my monitor capture at the very bottom. Now I have the image above that, so it is laying on top of the monitor capture. Now if I were to move this below, you don't see it at all. See, it's like basically layers. So if you move this up, it's see how I have the follow scroll letters and the donation scroll letters, they're on top, and the image is below that. So basically this is on top of the monitor capture, so it's overlaying the stream. So now that you have your overlays and stuff done, you basically want to work with how you're actually going to get it to stream. So enable for you to actually be able to stream through OBS, you're going to want to go to settings, broadcast settings, and you'll see Twitch live stream, whatever. You put it to live stream, you set it to Twitch, and then it'll give you your URL. Now you're just going to need your stream key. Now your stream key, I'm going to show you how to get that right now. Your stream key, you basically go to Internet Explorer, you go to Twitch, you go to your dashboard. Once you're at your dashboard, it says stream key. You click on it, show key, I understand. Now I'm not going to click on it because my stream key will pop up. So once that pops up, it's basically like a URL. You basically just copy, paste it, bada bing, bada boom. Now once that's done and you have your stream key copied, go to your settings, just go back to broadcast settings and paste it right here. Now once that's pasted, then you're gonna want to just once you paste it, you're gonna see a whole bunch of red letters down here. Those red lettering are basically informing you what settings you need to have enabled for your live stream to run properly. So once you see those red letters, just follow them, and that's basically the setup I have right now and what I'm using. So then just hit apply and OK. Now you have your overlays done, and when you hit start streaming, everything's gonna be running. It's gonna go straight to Twitch. It's gonna automatically start up your Twitch, and it's gonna be streaming whatever is on your monitor right now. So if I hit start streaming, my Twitch would instantly notify me that I'm streaming, or notify anybody else who follows me that I'm streaming, and they're gonna be watching the same thing you are right now. So basically, that's how you stream with OBS. And now that you got that down, the problem is, the reason why you gotta have 2 monitors at least is because when you start streaming, you can't use this monitor at all. I mean, you can still use it, but I'm just saying, like, I'll show you in a couple seconds. So basically, now that you guys got your stream down, you can work with games. So you can have this running in the background, doesn't matter. So now this is in the background. Well, the reason why you need Windows 10 is for the Xbox One app. The Xbox One app basically lets you stream games directly from your console to your PC. You go to the Xbox One app, you go to connect to your Xbox One. Now you'll see stream, test streaming, and all. You'll basically see what I'm seeing right here. So if you click stream, it's gonna instantly bring up this menu. Okay, you're not gonna be able to like do anything on this menu except for play games. Now it's probably loud, so I'm just gonna hit continue and then back out. But as you can see right here, this is the menu. Okay, so that's basically how that works. Now when you stop the stream, it doesn't actually stop your stream. As you can see, OBS is still running in the background. Now that's basically how you stream games with OBS with your stuff on. Now you're probably wondering, when I got on that and streamed it, my stuff wasn't like on there. That's because when it streams, it's not like streaming from Twitch. It's a separate stream. So basically, when you stream the games, it's only coming through your PC, and it's not coming from like Twitch or anything. We basically just stream. It's basically like mirroring your console, so you're just seeing what your other TV screen is seeing. Now basically, when you're looking from that perspective, you basically just mirror one screen to the other. You're not going to see your overlays, but on Twitch you will. So if you were to stream, like if I were to start streaming right now and go to my Twitch, the game would be up and running, and the border and stuff like that is going to be there, and the overlays, everything's going to be there, and it's going to be running fine. Now the only way you could actually talk in like a party while streaming and stuff like that is to start a party. So basically you start a party on the app. You can't be in a party on the console, because if you are, it's not going to work. So basically you start it on the app. So once you start on the app, you can invite your friends. As you can see, I'm talking right here. So you basically invite your friends, and once they join and stuff like that, you can add them to the chat. And yeah, so once you have that running, then you're set. I don't know how to get the cameras working yet, like how to get a camera working. I haven't experimented with that yet. I just wanted to make this video so you guys know how to do the overlays and stuff like that for your Twitch. So that's basically, I keep saying basically, like what the fuck, I need to fucking chill. Anyways, so that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this back up again. So yeah, that's all that I know. I haven't really been messing with this around a lot, but yeah, that's all I know for now. My Twitch and stuff is going to be in the description, so if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, then yeah, link's going to be in the description. I hope you guys find this somewhat useful. I know my overlay is kind of shitty. You guys can easily do a better job than me, but yeah, you just comment, like, subscribe. I hope this was of at least some help to you. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and peace.